This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carol Carpenter, P.A., CRS, EPRO. Mint condition contemporary home near the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. 1,827 square feet open floor plan, with high ceiling and walls of windows. Oversized tile floors throughout. 3-half split plan. New stainless steel frig, DW and microwave. Beautiful views of golf course and preserves. All this in popular Summerfield, where HOA is only $176 a month for Hotwire fiber optic TV and internet, clubhouse with 24-hour exercise room, huge heated pool, and Har-Tru tennis and pickleball courts. Pay and play golf at the highly rated Champions Club, which wins through the community. Close to beaches, marinas, shopping, Cleveland Clinic Hospital, library, and I-95. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Carpenter, P.A., CRS, EPRO at 239-246-3316.